What's up, YouTube? Gonna show you how to clean the USB ports on your PlayStation or any device with a Q-tip. You could use rubbing alcohol, but sometimes you might get dust, dirt. Yeah, look at that. That's just from the DVD player. A little bit of dust, dirt, and then just trying to make a point. The cotton ball and disconnecting it. Alright, now it's because what happened was I was trying to fix some headsets. Let's see. Plug that into the port. And oh no, it's not connected to anything. Plugging that into port 2. There it goes, it's charging my controller now. Seems to be working. Because I got an error message. I was trying to fix these headsets. And got an error message. I had it plugged into the port 2. And I was fiddling with the wires. And then kept hearing a buzzing noise, but I couldn't fix the headset, which of course it's not these. It was some old NFL headset that I had. Oh crap, let me see, which it's working now. Got my Call of Duty Ghost. I was watching an old movie on Netflix, trying to fix my old headset that I had. But let me see. And I remember watching an old, well, not an old, but it was one of those videos on here. The guy was plugging in a USB killer into a PS4 Pro. And I was like, oh my god, don't tell me I short-circuited my USB ports. And what is that? Wireless? Yeah, because I got... Okay, wired. Okay, let me see. Yeah, it seems to be working. I got my... Crap. Got my headset on. Yeah, it's working. I can hear it through the speakers. So, I didn't fry my... USB ports, thank God. Whew. But if you notice, it's very dirty in there too. But and if it doesn't help, normally when you take your PlayStation apart, you can easily solder and unsolder the ports from the board. But alrighty, bye YouTube.